Hi there, today we're showcasing the Mainstays waterproof, fitted vinyl twin mattress protector bundle of 2. Designed to keep your mattress clean and dry with reliable waterproof protection. These mattress protectors feature a fitted design that ensures a snug fit on twin-sized mattresses, preventing slipping or bunching during sleep. Made from durable vinyl material, they provide a smooth surface that is easy to wipe clean and maintain. Perfect for homes with kids, pets, or anyone looking to extend the life of their mattress. The protectors also help guard against spills, stains, allergens, and dust mites, promoting a healthier sleeping environment. Lightweight and breathable, they offer comfort without trapping heat, making them suitable for year-round use. Upgrade your bedding routine with this practical and convenient mattress protector bundle. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.